Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 33 Banklands in Newburgh. This is a fantastic, really spacious 3-bedroom semi-detached property. Potential to add value with this one as well. You're on a great plot with wraparound gardens, plus you've got gorgeous countryside views to the front, River Tay views to the rear, and it's such a peaceful, idyllic setting. It is so quiet here. I'm sure you can hear the birds in the background, so it really does make it perfect location for a family. So let me take you on the tour, and as always, keep listening until the end for how to get further details. So this is your property here, number 33. But as I say, the first thing I wanted to do is show you the gorgeous views to the front. So directly outside your front door, you get to step out to this beautiful countryside view, completely panoramic. But look at this, incredible. And as I say, so peaceful, which you can see for yourself. But what a gorgeous outlook for every day, especially on a day like today. And another great point for a family as well is just there, so a stone's throw and you are straight to a children's play park, which is just perfect. And then you have ample on-street parking just here. So let's step down into your property. So to the front we have this later lawn front garden, well presented as well, gorgeous colours with your mature shrubs and plants. Oh, and we've got a little visitor already. So this is your garden to the front. Hello. And then you have, as I say, a wraparound. We're going to go down there obviously in a little bit, but seating area as well to obviously take advantage of a gorgeous day like today. But let's head inside and start the tour. So you come into your entrance hallway, really spacious. But let's start upstairs and work our way down. Property is really bright as well, which is another plus. But as we come up the stairs, you have the River Tay views that I mentioned. So directly there, you have the River Tay views. And I'm sure if we keep going around, you'll get to Perth, and then the other way, Dundee. But that is the outlook to the rear. But back to the property. So we'll go to the 3rd bedroom, all really generous size, which you'll see for yourself as we go throughout. But this is your 3rd bedroom. And what I love is to take full advantage of the views. You've got these amazing windows, front and side, but it's also allowing all that natural light to just flood in. So it's just perfect. And there is just built-in storage around the corner just there, but this is your 3rd bedroom. We then come into your next bedroom. So again, look at the size of this bedroom, such a generous size. You have got your fitted wardrobes. But this is your next bedroom. And again, I'm going to show you because you really can't get bored of this view. But that is your outlook to wake up to every single morning. Really spoiled, it's just beautiful. And then we'll go to your final bedroom. So again, really generous sized. Let me show you just to give you a true understanding of how much space you're getting with this property. Storage just in the cupboard there. And then again, you have the views. And that was also a sneak peek at the garden to the rear, but we will come out there. Want to get out there and carry on enjoying the sun. But we come down. So you have that entrance area here. If it was me, I'd be doing a kind of building a bench for storage, for shoes, coats and boots, but a little bench in there would be perfect. Then we come into your lounge. So again, really generous sized lounge, plenty of space with this, and then again, you get that outlook. So that is your outlook. And what's great here is I've noticed a lot of people actually just leave their front doors open because it's so quiet here that yeah, we just tend to leave our front doors open, which is just lovely. It just shows you how quiet it is. It's just perfect. Then carrying on, so you have just your understairs storage just there. Then we have your family bathroom. So you just have your bath, and then your WC and wash hand basin. So that is your family bathroom. Then we come into your kitchen diner. So plenty of space in here, as you can see, for a family dining table. And then what's great is you have further worktop and cabinets just on this wall here. So that is your kitchen dining. And obviously you have the outlook to your garden. I'm just going to head out there and show you. So we then step into your garden to the rear. You can just see peeking over there the River Tay again. So this is your garden. So don't forget, I said you do get access directly around the side back to the front. But then this is your garden to the rear. So absolute sun trap as well. So perfect in the summer months and the lighter evenings. But this is your outdoor garden space. So again, plenty of mature shrubs and plants. You've got a lawn area just here. You do have an access gate at the back just there. And then obviously shed for outdoor storage. But let me just show you back up to give you the view to your property. So this is garden to the rear and your property. So let's recap number 33. That was the personal property tour for 33 Banklands in Newburgh. As you've just seen, a fantastic, really spacious 3-bedroom semi-detached property. Potential to add value. You're getting this great plot with the wraparound gardens, gorgeous countryside views to the front, such a peaceful location as well with the birds in the background, and then the River Tay views to the rear. Great location for a family as well because you have the Newburgh Primary School, you've also got bakers, you've got the shop, you've got the hairdresser. You're also just a short drive to the M90 for then commuting to Perth, Edinburgh and beyond. You're also just a short drive and you can be into Ladybank or Cooper for the train stations for further commuting. You've also got bus routes that connect you all across Fife. So it really is a great location and in such an ideal setting with those gorgeous views. You really wouldn't be able to get enough of those. So if you'd like to get further details for the property, click the link on the video, message me directly, or you can call the team on 01334 654 221. So 5 Properties TV, take care.